Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to download the Canva app on PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the Canva app on PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next you will need to go to the official downloading site of Canva. So just search for this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the correct website. And once you're on the website, there it is guys, you will now see the download button for the app. Just go and click it. And then the installer file of Canva will now start downloading. Just wait for this to be finished. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And after that, it's done. Congratulations. You will now have your Canva app installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now start using it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.